Alright. My tailgate doesn't go down. It's completely broke. Look at that. It's terrible. It broke right here. Right there. That's where it broke. The hinge. That's why it did that. So I bought everything new. Got the handle new. About $15. And I also got this. Might as well put everything new. Got 2 bezels and brand new rod clips. Okay, pretty sure I have to do it from here. Oh, by the way, this is a 13. Let me put it together and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, check out the last ball right here. It's a size 13 socket. Took that out. Now it should just come off. Oh wait, I gotta take off that rod clip. Right there, I gotta take that off. See, I got a flathead with me. Let me get the flathead pistol. Okay, took out the clips. It should just slide out. And there you go. It's actually pretty simple. It's just a direct bolt on. I can't believe how simple this is. But this is for see, that's where it broke. Oh, don't need that anymore. Let's get a new one out. Okay, it should be simple enough. I don't know. I think I should change the color pins, but at the same time I don't, so it can be a lot easier to pull off and on. As you go ahead and do it like that, okay? And put it back on. And there you go. It's really good. It was a direct fit, which is a plus. Yep, now you gotta put the bezels on. Replace the what's it called? The things that go here. Those cables, the cables. And yeah. That'll be it. I mean, that was just a simple. It's really simple. I mean, anybody can do this. If you have to go to a dealership for them to fix your tailgate, man. You shouldn't, because they're gonna think how simple that is. Going to the dealership and getting them fixing it up for you is a rip off. You can do it yourself. Ready. Silverado open. Nice. Now I want to replace this. These ugly ass fucking cables, man. Replace those real quick. Damn, look at that. That's ugly, man. Shit, that's probably original. Thankfully, I paid about an extra $10 just to get this. Man, look how much nicer that is. Alright, just get it on. Alright, gotta put that washer back on. Okay, to 13 also, in case you're all wondering. There's also a trick to this. I just noticed that, let me see if it focus. That if you put it on wrong, it can go wrong. Cause hold on, let me take it out. Let me just take it just a little bit. You can actually put this cable wrong, cause at the end of this right here, at that, there's like a gap, so you can actually put the cable wrong. You don't want it to sit flush against the ball head like this. I mean, not bad. Okay, I did a little persuasion on the left side of the tailgate door. I used a flathead and put it against right here, and it just hit it that way, so they can pop out, because I just turned it in circles. So that's one thing you gotta watch out for. If you do have to hit it, just make sure you use a flathead. Call this one over reliable. Yeah, just hit that sucker out. It's the same. It's a 13 bolt. These are their replacement. It's $10 for the pair. Look at that. I paid a little extra because I wanted the black. I wanted the black, not this silver. So I paid a little bit extra for it, which I'm okay with. Alright, I got it all buckled down. See, you can't even see it, which is really nice. I will link these cables in the description. Like I said, it was only like $10 for the wires, for the cables. The handle and bezel was about $15. Then I also bought some of these, some clips, because the ones that came with it, if they don't want to keep it that, I don't know if you can see it. This one right here and this dark one right here, took them off. It looked so cheap, so I bought a pack of these to replace it, and that was it. Look at that. Damn. Anybody can do this. Take it about 10 minutes to do it. It's so easy to do. Alright, catch you next time.